welcome back to my telehealth. Today, I want us to talk about a topic that sounds so abstract, but in sincerity, it is very, very important. I know in my previous video, I did talk about medication optimization. Today, I want to talk about how to properly dispose your unused prescription medication. Mind you, when we talk about health, we're talking about not just your health, we're talking about the health of your neighbors, the health of your children, the health of your family members, the health of the community. Remember that medication is composed of different chemicals. Some of them are very harmful to health. And some medications are given to you, prescribed to you, just for one condition or the other. So a child does not need to take it. If a child takes it, it can kill the child. If another adult takes it mistakenly, it can kill that adult. So I want us to be sensitized today that medication is not just any chemical, any substance. Medication is not just anything like food that anyone can take. When medication is prescribed for you, it is just for you. And you must have to adhere to how the doctor says you must take it. So today I want us to talk about, what if you're given prescription and you did not finish it, or it was discontinued, or for one reason or the other, you were admitted in the hospital and you didn't have to continue taking that medicine? What do you do with the medication? That is why I am here today, to talk about how we can safely dispose our unused prescription medication. Some of us take narcotics, maybe after surgery or after an acute pain experience, you were given narcotics and you didn't finish it. What do you do with it? Moreover, do you know that even when you have new prescriptions and you mix it up with the old prescriptions, some days we get confused. We can be sleepy, and mistakenly you can take your old prescription instead of the new one. Or you may take a medicine that you don't even need to take, or even another person can make the error within the household. That is why it is important to dispose of your unused prescription medication very, very carefully. So how do we do this? I'm going to give a few ways that it can be done safely. One, you can ask your pharmacy, your local pharmacy, if they do the take back program. That is, if they take back unfinished prescription medications. There are some pharmacies that do take back medications, and then it is their responsibility to dispose it of properly. So if your pharmacy, your local pharmacy, don't take it, in some developed areas, there are some, designated areas like police stations or community centers where they have containers that you can just go drop the medication in those containers. But in most cases, narcotic medications are exempted. And before you drop it, remember your personal information is always on prescription medication. And the prescriber name and all those, they are very sensitive information. So make sure you remove them, or use a black marker to cover your name, your address, and all that before you use medication in any public container. So assuming that is not convenient for you and you want to dispose it in your home, please don't put it in the trash like that, or put it in the toilet, except it is indicated that the medication is safe, to go down the toilet. Okay. So if you want to dispose it at home, what do? You can put it in a container. Remember, you have to remove your personal information and the prescriber's information. Okay, you can put it in a different container, like a container that has a tight cover. You can put it in there before you put it into your trash bag. But it's not all medications. Narcotics should not go to such container. Any medication like that has chemotherapy or poisonous to the system. Every medication is poisonous to the system. Let me take that back. But some regular medications you take for blood pressure, diabetes, and all those stuff, they can go there. But like medication, if you're taking chemotherapy, please, there are usually some containers that come, where it gives special instructions how you can send it back, how you can dispose it. So you have to follow that instruction strictly. That is to save the community. Mind you, when we talk of the community, anybody can be involved. Okay? So you can mix it with like coffee or canned litter, something that will make it detestable, that will make somebody not to, try to pick it and take. All right. So you can also put it like in any substances. I did talk about certain substances like coffee, canned litter, death. You mix it. I know it's like I'm repeating myself. I'm just trying to re-emphasize the importance of, protecting the community and every other person. Remember, we're talking about proper disposal of medications to keep you safe, to keep me safe. Don't put medication in the trash. Don't just flush medication in the toilet. Don't just throw away medication. If it's narcotic, there are special instructions that goes with it. You can put it with special instructions and in special envelopes, and then you can mail it back to the pharmacy. Then you have to make sure it is well protected, okay, to save the community. I think we did get this. If you have any questions, put it down on the comment section and I'll attend to it. If you have any recommendations, put it on the comment section and I'll attend to it and we'll talk about it. Again, my name is Dr. Victoria Ngozi Ogbuji. Thank you for listening. See you in my next video. Thank you.